Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, my name is Georgia and today I'm going to be doing something fun. I'm going to be showing y'all how to prep full cover nail tips for press-ons, along with showing you this gorgeous new MelodySusie nail drill. So let's get into it. So I'll just open it up here. So very protected, very exciting. No warranty. Okay, y'all, this is the big part. So I've been so excited about this because y'all, it's pink. Look how gorgeous this is. So pretty. And let me show you the pin, or the handheld part. Isn't that cute and tiny? Like, that's so perfect. I love that. Also, y'all, I'm working with a microphone today, so you'll have to let me know how the audio quality compares. But yeah, that's something that's super exciting. Hopefully y'all can hear me a little better. Alright, so this box also comes with the instruction manual. Ooh, and a whole bunch of more goodies at the bottom. So, you get your charger cord. Charger block. This is very convenient because on my other MelodySusie drill, I'm going to show y'all my other MelodySusie drill, which is in this style, but it's a different year, so y'all can just compare the size difference. It also comes with these drill bits. Anything, a whole bunch of sanding bands. And this is funny, there's all these bits, but there's sanding bands on them right here. These are just the basic pack that you get with like all drills. So that's very nice. You also get one of these little things to attach it to the side. I'm not going to do that though, because I'm going to put it in something. And then, yeah, you also get the cord. Put that aside. Hopefully the thing is already charged. So let's get into this. Am I doing this wrong? No, it's just a tight fit. Tight fit. And then the other side. Okay, it's also a tight fit. Oh, it is charged. Oh, look, it starts off with one. Wow. It shows that it's going forward. Y'all, let's see what the max is. 35 RPMs. That's pretty good. I honestly never use more than 3 or 4. Alright. I'm not going to take this off now, but the little cover part. That is so cute. I'm so happy that it's pink. Like, y'all, I can't even explain. I'm gonna grab my other drill, MelodySusie. So first off, I'm to show y'all just the size, like, oh my AC's turned on, sorry. The size difference between the handheld part. Can y'all see that? Almost half an inch. I think it'd be almost, yeah, I think it's like half an inch smaller. And then just the barrel itself, like, look how delicate and smooth this is compared to this. And I thought this was small and dainty. But no, I was wrong. Super happy for the upgrade, but now let's compare the actual drill. We'll see. I don't know if y'all can tell, like, how small it is. So much lighter. Just so cute. And then this has that side reverse, and then this one just has the little button right here for the forward reverse. I'm gonna turn this one on. Yeah, the lowest you can do is 3 on this one. And it's super loud in comparison. Holy cow. Wow, okay. Yeah, super exciting. I love how small and dainty it is. I just think I'm gonna get so much more control. It's gonna be a lot better. Alrighty. Now I'm gonna show y'all how I prep my press-ons. I'm gonna start off and put them right here. Okay. First I need to put a drill bit on. So that's lock and unlock. Take out the little guy. I'm honestly gonna use my own drill bit for this. I use really tiny barrel bits, and they're super small so that they can fit within all the little tiny nails and stuff. So this is my super tiny sanding, and I'm gonna lock it in place. Okay, I'm gonna turn her on. Okay, I'm gonna do 1. I'm gonna just set it at 1. We're gonna see how that goes. So, how I prep my full cover nails for press-ons is I start off by shaping this part right here to fit my nail. Personally, my thumbnails are a little more squared off. So I'm going to take the edge and just gently take off a little bit right there. Then I'm going to take it and gently, very carefully, you don't want to do this too much because you could accidentally file all the way through and you don't want that. You want a very consistent tapered edge here. So I'm probably going at like a 45-degree angle and just filing it down on the sides as well. So anywhere where it meets the side walls. Alright, so there's that. Usually I take a hand file and just kind of, you know, clean that up, but may as well. Then on the inside, I just go ahead and rough it up. I will sometimes just clean up the edges like that, or like, you know, not clean up the edges, but like file around like this so that there can be a little bit of more of adhesion, sticking. You know what I'm trying to say. But I never have lifting. I never have the gel lift off of my press-on, so I don't really do that. I just mainly get around the cuticles and file on the inside. So there you have it. I'm gonna do one more just so y'all can see the angle. I'm just kind of using that angle and following it all the way around. I don't know if y'all can see how I use the barrel. Just kind of take it along the side. But that's gonna cause your press-ons to stay a little bit longer because there's not this like blunt edge. Here, I'll show y'all. Oh, wow, the drill is so quiet. I didn't even hear that I was turning it up. Okay, I'll show y'all the difference. So see how skinny that is? It's got a taper to it, very nice. And how this one is just blunt. It's not thinned out. There's that plastic line right here. Yeah, this is gonna get caught on more things. It's just gonna cause a lot more lifting if it's not tapered. So I like to taper them so that when I paint over them, they're already prepared to be saved for. But yeah, I'm gonna be making a tutorial with these super long nails, so keep an eye out for that. Yeah, thank y'all so much for watching. I'm gonna link everything down below. Super cute. I just love how easy it is to use. It's not heavy whatsoever. Just such a dainty little device. Absolutely love it. Does not get in the way when messing with all these little things. But yeah, thank y'all so much again. I hope y'all all stay safe out there. Everything goes y'all's way. But yeah, bye y'all.